Hey man, watch out, it's a woodpecker from space. Woodpeckers from space. Woodpeckers from space. When I woke up with a shock, I didn't know the reason why. So dark inside, but you had a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and I bumped my head against the door. By the time I was okay, I heard that funny cry once more. Woodpeckers from space, just can't believe it. Woodpeckers from space, how do you do it? It was funny looking bird, and he was right before my eyes. With a spacesuit and a laser gun, he was only passing by. I was looking at a space bird, he was right in front of me. I was hypnotized by his eyes, and he told me where he wants to be. Don't be afraid to take me out to the hottest spot in town, ha ha, cause you like to move our body on that incredible funky sound, ha ha ha. So I took him down to the boogie ground and we really had a lot of fun. I said, listen everybody, do the woodpecker boogie, come on, let's have some fun, ha ha ha. Do you feel alright? You feel okay? I'm a woodpecker from space. Start snapping, start rapping. Everybody likes woodpecker rapping. Woodpeckers from space, just can't believe it. Woodpeckers from space, how do you do it?